So hello again. I just uploaded the video of the golden jubilee strap, sorry, for the Koinurs, and I mentioned that there are still 3 slots remaining for my new watches, and I didn't knew that it would end up so fast. You can see these watches. I'll show you a close up now, and amazing. I got fortunate. These are available on website as well, but I don't think so they are still available. They got sold out. Video I'm shooting is on 29th March. This I purchased 28th March, the same day where I uploaded the video for Jubilee straps which were provided by Umer, and I was in hunt with a new watch. Actually, I didn't wanted to buy one which I have bought now, but I couldn't resist myself. So let's show you the quick review of watches which I have bought. Also, not everything is for me. I have just bought one watch, and rest all there will be. I will be shipping it to my friends, those who asked me to get one. And yeah, let's start. Here's the review now. So this is the amazing lineup. It couldn't be covered in my video frame as well, but yeah, now you can see. So this is the amazing Tareeq dark blue shade, the Himalaya white shade, the Himalaya emerald green, and again the Tareeq. So one watch now will go here in my slot. So this is the amazing HMT Tareeq quartz, a lovely dial, resembles with the Maurya, HMT Maurya which I got. I can say this Ultra Pro Light TISO. So yeah, this is one I got. This is again for my friend Yasir, and this all 3 will go to Shashank. So this one he might sell on MRP and plus extra shipping charges, because he loved the color though, but he is not sure of getting 3 of them. He will have the Tareeq and this white dial he loves the most, but this he is unsure. Let's see if he changes his thoughts and if he sells it, because having a 3 watch and that too with responsibilities he has back at home. Okay, let's move. I got this wonderful Tareeq here. Even I saw there was a Tiffany blue shade they say, but it's not exactly Tiffany blue, but according to me it was not meant for me, to be honest. A lovely watch, although no doubt in that, but I like this the most. Even it has a gray, dark gray shade, but it was not in stock. But yeah, this is a lovely shade. HMT Tareeq, then Himalaya white, and then this Himalaya emerald green. Lovely dial, sunburst effect, and this amazing haul you can see. So by getting this one Tareeq, I knew HMT launched only the Tareeq with the day complications, not the date complications. So it was first made in India watch to have a date complication, so hence the name Tareeq for the watch. But its case is very amazing, and with this I have an open challenge to Crown and Quartz to get me 17 jewels HMT Tareeq in NOS condition. I hope he accepts the challenge and provides me the same. To one of the empty slots I can keep it then. So Crown and Quartz, this is an open challenge to you. HMT Tareeq 17 jewels for G2 Bullet in NOS condition, you have to get one for me. And even if it is not possible, no issue. It's just a friendly challenge, and yeah, amazing. Again, I'll change the strap. I am happy with this strap, but even there are some older straps. I don't know the names of that straps. I will wait for them to get from, as Umair have told me that he is getting some straps for the Tariq as well. So I'll be waiting for that. This is very. It should be very patient. You should be very patient, and even for crown and cords, bro, it's not a rush. I have lots of time. I'm waiting. An open challenge to you. Again, HMT Tareeq, 17 joules. You have to provide me in NOS conditions. So I'll be waiting. Thank you. G2 Bullet here. Keep watching. Bye bye.